Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the important points for the chapter 12 and 13 for upcoming board, JEE NEET and good CET examination. First, from the chapter 12 you can consider that some of the important examples are given in the textbooks and you have to remember the name and IUPAC name of the compound. For example, vanillin, which is widely used in a vanilla ice cream. It consists of aldehyde group as well as phenolic OH group and alkoxy group. And IUPAC name of the compound is 4-hydroxy 3-methoxy benzaldehyde. Vanillin has a aldehyde group, alkoxy group and phenolic OH group. On the other side, cinemaldehyde, it is a structure of 3-phenyl prop 2 in 1 al. 3-phenyl prop 2 in 1 al. This is the structure of cinemaldehyde. Likewise, acrolein, CH2 double bond CH-CHO prop 2 in 1 al. And macetyl oxide, CH3 twice double bond C CH3 4-methyl pen 3 in 2 on. ये चारों चार इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. इसके अलावा सिनेमाल्डिहाइड के अलावा सैलिसिलाल्डिहाइड एंड तुम्हारा सैलिसिलिक एसिड के स्ट्रक्चर भी पूछे जाते हैं. बट सैलिसिलाल्डिहाइड एंड सैलिसिलिक एसिड आपने चैप्टर 11 अल्कोहल फिनॉल एंड ईथर में पढ़ा था. यहाँ पे ये चारों चार स्ट्रक्चर के IUPAC नेम, फंक्शनल ग्रुप कौन सा प्रेजेंट है या उसके कॉमन नेम याद रखने हैं. नेक्स्ट, ओनली अल्काइन टू गिव्स आयोडोफॉर्म टेस्ट. विच वन इज द ओनली अल्काइन टू गिव्स आयोडोफॉर्म टेस्ट इज इथाइन. इथाइन के अलावा गिव्स aldehyde on reaction with mercury sulfate and sulfuric acid. Ethine is the only alkyne to gives aldehyde. Other than ethine, rest all the alkyne gives ketone on reaction with mercury sulfate and sulfuric acid. Symmetrical alkene on ozonolysis gives say aldehyde or ketone, whereas asymmetric, for example, butene gives both ethanol, whereas asymmetrical alkene on ozonolysis gives two different aldehyde and ketone. For example, 2-methyl butene on ozonolysis gives ethanol and propanol. In Rosen-Moon reduction reaction, we can able to convert benzoyl chloride into benzaldehyde in presence of hydrogen, lead and barium sulfate. Acyl halide get converted into aldehyde by Rosen-Moon reduction reaction. By Stephan reduction reaction, we convert cyanide into aldehyde. In Stephan reduction reaction, S for stannous chloride, clear cyanide on reaction with SnCl2 plus HCl gives amine. Amine on hydrolysis gives aldehyde. In ITAR reaction, we can able to convert methyl benzene into aldehyde. Rosen-Moon में acyl halide into aldehyde. In Stephan, cyanide into aldehyde. In ITAR reaction, methyl benzene react with chromyl chloride and carbon disulfide form a chromium complex which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. And in Gattermann-Koch reaction, benzene get converted into benzaldehyde. In all the four reactions, we will get benzaldehyde as a product, but in the first one, in Rosen-Moon, acyl halide into aldehyde. In Stephan reaction, cyanide into aldehyde. In ITAR reaction, methyl benzene into aldehyde. And in Gattermann-Koch reaction, benzene into aldehyde in presence of carbon monoxide, HCl and anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst. Physical properties, order of boiling point. Carboxylic acid always possesses higher boiling point than alcohol. Alcohol then ketone, ketone then aldehyde. Aldehyde has a higher boiling point than ether and ether has a higher than alkane. Aldehyde is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction than ketone. Which one is more reactive towards nucleophilic? Aldehyde. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कीटोन का ज़्यादा होगा जबकि रिएक्टिविटी किसकी ज़्यादा आएगी? अल्डिहाइड. फॉर्मल्डिहाइड इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन एलिफेटिक अल्डिहाइड बिकॉज स्टेरिक हिंड्रेंस कम होगा एंड एलिफेटिक अल्डिहाइड इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन एरोमेटिक अल्डिहाइड. सिमिलरली सिंपल कीटोन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन aryl alkyl aryl ketone and alkyl aryl ketone is more reactive than diaryl ketone because as the bulkier group increases reactivity decreases. So diaryl ketone is the least reactive and formaldehyde is the most reactive towards the nucleophilic addition reaction. Aldehyde can react with sodium bisulfite but not ketone. Aldehyde can react with sodium bisulfite but not ketone. Aldehyde on reaction with alcohol in presence of dry HCl gives HeMa-acetal. If once again HeMa-acetal react with the alcohol and dry HCl gives acetal. Reaction with ammonia derivatives. Aldehyde or ketone reacts with ammonia derivatives gives R, C, R dash and Z. बराबर. यहाँ पे अलग अलग हाइड्रोजन, सेमी हाइड्रोजन, सेमी कार्बाल्डिहाइड, 2,4-diनिट्रोफिनाइल हाइड्रोजन एक्सेट्रा. रिडक्शन Aldehyde on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium hydride gives primary alcohol. Aldehyde gives only, whereas ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. On Clemmensen reduction reaction, zinc amalgam and HCl is used, which can convert aldehyde or ketone into alkane. Clemmensen reduction reaction, zinc amalgam and HCl used as a catalyst and convert aldehyde or ketone into alkane. Whereas Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction, here aldehyde or ketone first treated with hydrogen to give hydrazone, and which on reaction with ethylene glycol and KOH gives alkane. Wolff-Kishner reduction दो नाम है तो टू स्टेप रिएक्शन है, क्लेमेंसन एक ही नाम है तो वन स्टेप रिएक्शन है. Oxidation, aldehyde can easily be oxidized in presence of strong or mild oxidizing agent like nitric acid, sulfuric acid, KMnO4, potassium dichromate, toluene or failing to give same number of carbon containing carboxylic acid. Whereas ketone cannot be easily oxidized to a strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4, K2Cr27 in presence of acid or vigorous condition gives dicarboxylic acid. Here number of carbon atom in carboxylic acid are less than ketone, breakdown होंगे. Tolerance test given only by aldehyde, but both aliphatic and aromatic. Here ammonical silver nitrate solution is used in the presence of base. We get silver mirror at the bottom of the test tube. That's why it is also called as silver mirror test, given by both aliphatic as well as aromatic aldehyde. Whereas Fehling test given only by the aliphatic aldehyde but not by aromatic aldehyde or ketone. Here two solutions are used. Fehling A is an aqueous copper sulfate solution, whereas Fehling solution B is a sodium potassium tartrate, which is also called as Rochelle salt. Aldehyde react with cuprous ion plus 5OH minus under basic gives red precipitate of the cuprous oxide. If red precipitate of cuprous oxide is obtained, that indicate presence of aldehyde. Haloform test or iodoform test, it is given only by methyl ketone groups, COCA3 groups. Only aldehyde to give this test is ethanol. Ethanol is the only aldehyde to give iodoform test or haloform test. All the ketone with COCA3 group can give this test. Here in this test, NaOH or X2 or sodium hypochlorite gives RCOON plus CHX3, which is a yellow precipitate. Aldol condensation or cross-aldol condensation given by alpha hydrogen containing aldehyde or ketone in presence of dilute alkali. Ethanol, propanol, acetophenone, etc. can give this because alpha hydrogen is present. Cannizzaro reaction given by those aldehyde which does not possess alpha hydrogen. For example, benzaldehyde, formaldehyde, etc. It is a kind of disproportion reaction. One is oxidized and another get reduced. Cyanide on hydrolysis gives amide. Amide on hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. But if we treat same cyanide on hydrolysis on heating, then cyanide directly get converted into carboxylic acid. Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent on reaction with carbon dioxide gives carboxylic acid. किसके साथ रिएक्ट करने पे? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Carboxylic acid and picric acid are the only acid which react with sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, to give effervescence of CO2. Other than that, carboxylic acid or picric acid, no other acid can give effervescence of CO2 with sodium bicarbonate. Electron withdrawing group like nitro group increases the acidic nature of carboxylic acid, whereas electron donating group decreases. So para-nitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid, and benzoic acid is more acidic than para-methoxybenzoic acid. इसके बेस पे डेफिनेट क्वेश्चन होंगे ही होंगे. Trifluoroacetic acid, as the electronegativity increases, acidic nature increases. Trifluoroacetic acid is more acidic than trichloro. Trichloro is more than tribromo, and tribromo is more than triiodoacetic acid. If we compare nitroacetic acid is more acidic than cyano, and cyano is more than fluoro, and fluoro is more than fluoroacetic acid. Dicarboxylic acid on reaction with P2O5 gives anhydride. Carboxylic acid on reaction with NaOH and CO decarboxylation and gives alkane. Hell-Wallace-Zelinsky reaction, again it is given by alpha hydrogen containing carboxylic acid in presence of red phosphorus. Hydrogen atom of the alpha carbon is replaced by halogen, that is it is called as alpha haloalic acid. Benzoic acid is a meta-directing on nitration, gives meta-nitrobenzoic acid, and then bromination gives meta-bromobenzoic acids. From chapter 13, amines, common name and IUPAC name of the amines are most important. Second most important is basic nature of amine. In the gaseous phase, tertiary amine is more basic than secondary than primary. Alkane amine are always more basic than ammonia, and ammonia is more basic than aryl amine. In aqueous phase, basicity of secondary amine is always higher than primary and tertiary for methyl substituted amine. For ethyl substituted amine, secondary is more basic than tertiary. But in both the case, for aqueous phase, secondary amine are always more basic than tertiary or primary. Solubility in water, primary amine is more soluble than secondary and tertiary. Boiling point, primary always possesses higher boiling point than secondary and tertiary. Gabriel Thalamide synthesis gives only primary alkyl amine as a product. Aromatic amine cannot be produced by Gabriel Thalamide. Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction in number of carbon atom in product is 1 unit less. Bromamide degradation 1 unit less than reactant. Amide get converted. Amide on reaction with bromine and NOH gives amine plus NaBr plus. So here number of carbon atom in product is 1 unit less than reactant. Electron donating group like alkyl group increases the basic nature of amine, whereas electron withdrawing group decreases the basic nature. Carbyl amine test only given by the primary amine and gives false smell isocyanate. Cyanide on reaction with primary amine, sorry, यहाँ पे primary amine on reaction with chloroform, primary amine on reaction with chloroform and KOH gives isocyanate plus KCl plus H2. Reaction with nitrous acid, aliphatic amine on reaction with nitrous acid gives alcohol, whereas aromatic amine on reaction with nitrous acid gives benzene diazonium chloride, which on heating gives phenol. Hinsberg test, it is used, benzene sulfonyl chloride used as a Hinsberg reagent. It is used for the separation and purification of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Primary amine gives soluble salt with alkali, secondary amine gives insoluble salt, and tertiary amine does not give this reaction. Nowadays, instead of benzene sulfonyl chloride, we are utilizing para-toluene sulfonyl chloride as a Grignard reagent. Chalo. Aniline does not undergo the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction because it's required AlCl3, which is a Lewis acid, and aniline itself acts as a Lewis base. Important chemical reaction of benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride react with HBF4 gives benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, which on direct heating gives fluorobenzene, but if you heat in presence of copper and NaNO2 gives nitrobenzene. Reaction with hypophosphorus acid gives benzene, and reaction with ethanol also gives benzene. Here H3PO3 get converted to H3PO3 and ethanol is get converted into ethanol. Reaction with aqueous potassium iodide gives iodobenzene. CuHCl और CuHBr के साथ करोगे तो chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. This is a Gattermann reaction. If benzene sulfonyl chloride react with cuprous chloride and HCl, then chlorobenzene, cuprous bromide and HCl, then bromobenzene, and cuprous cyanide and ACN, then cyanobenzene. They are a kind of Samuel reaction. These are the some of the most important topic which has repeatedly asked in your board examination for the MCQ portions also, and very useful for your upcoming good CET, JEE or NEET examination. Do prepare well for the topic and all the best for your examination. Bye.